Welcome to another episode of our tutorial series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to learn how to measure the overall equipment efficiency, or OEE, of your facility. We'll explain what OEE entails, how it's calculated, and why it's so important. We'll also explore two different ways of calculating OEE, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the process. By the end of the video, you'll not only be able to calculate your facility's OEE, but you'll also know how to interpret these numbers to improve your production process. So, let's dive right in. Ever wondered how to measure your facility's overall equipment efficiency, also known as OEE? Well, let's dive right into it. OEE is a measure of how much quality product a facility produces during its planned productive time. The higher the score, the more quality product the facility makes. So, if you have a 100% OEE, it means that all products made during productive time are of top-notch quality. This is not just an interesting number, but an incredibly useful metric to gauge how effective and efficient your equipment is. There are two ways to calculate OEE, a simple way and a more involved way. Let's start with the simple calculation. Imagine you have an asset, let's call it Asset A. In a 10-hour period, which is 600 minutes, Asset A should be able to make 600 good products. This is the theoretical maximum speed, but in reality, the machine makes only 300 good products in the same 10-hour period. This means that the OEE for that asset is 50%. The asset has only made about half its maximum quality products, meaning that it is 50% effective. But the preferred way of calculating OEE is a bit more involved. It includes the APQ of the asset, the availability, performance, and quality. You might be wondering why there are two methods of calculating OEE. Well, the more involved way isn't just another way of measuring OEE. Instead, it's a way of understanding where that lost effectiveness is going, or what part of the production process needs improvement. It is this method of calculating that makes OEE a useful diagnostic tool for inefficient equipment. So let's break down APQ. Availability asks the question, are we losing product because the machine isn't running? To calculate availability, we need to look at the asset's runtime divided by the actual planned production time. In other words, how much do we run versus how much do we plan to run? Performance is about creating the right products at the best possible speed. To calculate performance, we need to look at our ideal cycle time multiplied by the total number of product, which gives us the fastest time to create product. Then we divide this by the overall runtime of the asset. And finally, quality. Are we making good products and not needing to rework bad ones? To calculate quality, we need to divide the total number of good parts that we produced by the total number of parts we made overall. This gives us the general proportion of good versus bad products. That's how you measure your facility's overall equipment efficiency, or OEE. Remember, it's not just about knowing the number, but understanding where your production process can improve. As we wrap up, we want to thank you for watching this video. We've learned about the two methods of calculating OEE and how to interpret these numbers to improve your production process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help improve your maintenance and operations, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you and happy measuring.